So you saw the before of this house, but today we're taking you through the finished product of our $1.7 million newest flip that we just listed.
So if you're new to the channel, we're the Boeckle Brothers. I'm Jesse.
And I'm Landon.
And we flip homes here in Las Vegas, and we've actually done over 340 homes in the last 5 years. Today, like Landon said, we're outside of one of our famous finished Boeckle Brothers flip listings. We're gonna take you a look at the inside of all the finishes. So now that we're inside the house, what we want to do is take you guys through and show you all the finished designs that ended up making it into the final product. But before we do that, if you haven't seen this house before, it's quite a transformation. So go to our page and check out the old video, or we'll link it in the description below. So check out the befores of this house because it went through a major change. So right now we're inside one of the main areas of the house, the main living and the kitchen. Landon's going to walk you through some of the major modifications we made to the kitchen.
So if you remember from the before video, we had a huge dividing wall right here in the center of this main living area. We weren't sure if we were quite able to take that out because it very well could have been load bearing and structural. Lucky for us, there was no structural in it at all. So we took the whole wall down. Look at how open the kitchen became. So we actually made this island as big as we could possibly make it without having to seam 2 slabs together for it. It's actually 5 feet wide, 9 feet long. And as you can see, we put a custom mitered edge on here, which means they fabricate this 2.5 inch side piece, making the counterfill that much more custom. So as you notice, we have 2 different color cabinets as well in the kitchen. The reason why is we really want to make this center island feel more like an art piece and a showpiece for the house. So we offset the cabinet color with this natural whitewash wood, the custom quartzite slab top as well. Definitely offsets it from the rest of the kitchen cabs. So in a $1.7 million house, you can't have any old appliance package in it. We had to upgrade this appliance package. So we put the 36-inch custom Thor range in, and as well as the pull-out microwave drawer right here in the island. 48-inch custom built-in stainless steel refrigerator, and the upgraded undermount single basin sink that's oversized with the large spring faucet. So last thing you might notice is that we actually used a different color quartz countertop for the kitchen surround, and then we use this nice handmade tile backsplash to really contrast against the gray countertops. Now Jesse's gonna actually take you through the dining area and the main living area of the house.
So we carried that quartz surround all the way behind the dining area, which made the kitchen feel a lot bigger and gave the dining space a little backdrop of a buffet and some detail so it wasn't totally plain. So walking into the main living area of the house, which is right off the front door, you're immediately left now with a good impression as soon as you walk in with a big wide open living space. We decided to detail this wall and give it a custom fireplace feature with a TV like we always do, so it directs the whole room, including the kitchen's attention over here. We even put seating in the island so that while you're in there, you can be watching TV and be a part of all the action in the house. So we really love this new design that we've done. We kind of did it in 2 stages, a lower hearth with an upper framed area, tiled them with contrasting tiles, and we put our LED fireplace in between, which actually gives it a little bit of more dimension, something different from what we normally do. Good question to ask you guys right now. Do you like this new design, or you like the way we used to do it? We also were able to take down a small pony wall and column that made this area and hallway into the rest of the house feel very small and closed off. We also turned what we had a very small bedroom into a really killer office.
Check this out. Beautiful office. With people working from home more and more nowadays, it's almost necessary to have an office in this size of home. So what we did, like Jesse said, is we took a very small bedroom space and turned it into a very nice, elegant, high-end office. But it wasn't expensive what we did. It was actually very cost effective. As you can see, the trim here on the back wall, it's simply just 2.5 or 3 inch trim that we designed in a specific way, put on the wall and painted. Very inexpensive way to upgrade a room. Look at how beautiful this wall looks. All right, so now we're gonna take you where the magic happens, and Jesse's gonna walk you through the primary bedroom.
All right, so follow me into the primary bedroom. Don't look that way. I'll show you the bathroom in just a minute. You just left the office with Landon, and we actually kept that design into the master bedroom too, where we did that custom paint color accented wall with the MDF trim in the same design. We really like doing the bed wall because as soon as you walk in the room and turn this corner, your eye is gonna look exactly that way. So it's something that you immediately see, it jumps out at you, it gives you a nice feeling right as you walk in the room. Now, we also love to put some sort of TV wall accent fireplace in the primary bedrooms as well. So we did that here with our pony wall, the same tile that we carried from the living area. We put our LED fireplace in with TV over. So this master bedroom is totally complete. Now let's check out the bathroom. So if you remember from the before video, which I hope you now watched, this bathroom was a total head scratcher. When you walk in, you are immediately met with this big corner that made the room feel very small. This was actually where our old shower used to be located. And this type of shower did not feel like a $1.7 million bathroom. So what we did was blew out 2 of the walls and turned this into the dedicated tub space. Now, if you remember from that house as well, the tub used to be tucked over here where we've converted this space into the shower. Now you have a dedicated tub space separate with a nice tile backsplash wall and the faucet coming right out of the wall. Now we've also created this magnificent shower area. We've tiled the entire surround, even behind the vanity mirrors and lights. Gave you a rain head, a nice big space to take a shower. This feels like $1 million bathroom. We also didn't skip any steps when it comes to this bathroom and closet setup. We built out the entire master closet with all custom shelving and hangers so that end to end, this house feels brand new.
So we have the 2 secondary bedrooms over here, fully finished, but I want to take you into the laundry room as well. As you can see, with all of our laundries on this price point home, we do a full build out. In this one, we actually did a different color cab with this nice light gray to kind of break it up from the kitchen and the master bathroom. And notice at 1.7 million, we feel you have to have the full appliance package with brand new washer and dryer. So coming into the secondary bathroom, as you can see once again, kind of matching the laundry room, we used a different color cab and a different color quartz countertop than the rest of the house. To break it up, make it feel a little bit different for the secondary bathroom. And check out the shower as well. As you can see, we're super happy with how this one came out. They did a really good job finishing this, and we'll talk about timelines in a minute, but it happened pretty fast.
So we're super happy with the final product that was delivered and the contractor that did all the work on this job. As far as timelines go, we purchased this house around the beginning of January and we finished it at the very last few days of March.
Yep.
So it took us about 3 to 3.5 months to do this entire project.
Now, the numbers on this deal are, we purchased it at $950,000. The construction on this job ended up being about $160,000 to $170,000, all in with landscape and everything. Our list price currently on the market is $1.7 million. If we sell it there, we're bound to make about $450,000 in profits on this deal.
Not bad, especially when you consider the timeline of purchase to sale of about 3 months. Hopefully we get an offer soon and get this thing moving.
If you have any questions on the process, we really hope you had fun walking through and checking out the before and afters today. Like we said, this house turned out beautiful and we're happy to show it to you. If you have any questions, drop a comment below. We're always happy to answer.
Till then,
We'll see you on the flip side.